CVNA stock analysis. This is for tomorrow, Friday. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Carvana is really a buy or not for me. So especially looking at this thing with 348 bucks, this is just pumping and I actually quite like it. Like the only thing that I will do is just still keep holding this because last time I called it out, since then it's been pumping very religiously and it's sick. So last video was 14th of June, 2 weeks back, and right, it was inside the demand zone. Love to see a shift, you know, double break, take it further up. Yeah, that was phenomenal, man. This is, I'm a big fan, let's put it this way. And practically speaking, only if I see the price kind of pulling down a bit lower and giving me a shift, then only then I will look to double down. Other than that, like, everything is noise. So if you want my exact play and all that good jazz, just click the first link in the description. Absolute risk free. Picks plus Discord, it's all good and all there.